Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 30, 2024. The country's positive performance in the Jamaica Business and Consumer Confidence Survey is being hailed as the resilience of consumers helping to return the economy to pre-pandemic conditions. The Consumer Confidence Index has surged to a remarkable 174.7 points for the fourth quarter of 2023, representing an 8.5% growth over the previous quarter. Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Senator Aubin Hill, says the outcome is also a clear indication of the government's solid and consistent management of the economy. He says the positive trajectory of consumer confidence is a clear signal that our economic recovery is gaining momentum and also reflects confidence by Jamaicans in government's initiatives to create prosperity for everyone. Senator Hill adds that his ministry supports the broad government agenda to elevate productivity in 2024 to boost economic growth. He's urging all Jamaicans to actively participate in this national endeavor by significantly enhancing their productivity levels. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, is rolling out a new building inspection and permit process to improve its procedures for development. Mayor of Kingston, Senator Delroy Williams, says the process includes the reviewing of building permit applications and approvals by the public online via ksamc.gov.jm. Senator Williams made the announcement on Friday during his contribution to the 2023-2024 State of the Nation debate in the Senate. He says the move is a pioneer moment for local authorities.
You can view the stages of consideration of the application, make and view objections, view stages of approval, and much more. This is a departure from what obtains in the past.
The mayor explains that prior to this, residents were only made aware of developments when notices were posted at construction sites or after approvals were done. As soon as an application is made, it is posted on the KSAMC's website for residents to search. The search can be done by community, district, or street, and any concerns or objections must be presented to the building committee for consideration of the application.
So the building officers cannot place an application before the building committee without the objections raised to the application. So the building committee members are furnished with the information relating to the objection. Now remember, the building committee consists of members from a wide range of agencies, ministries, and civil society.
Mayor Williams says this has allowed for a more transparent system in the building approval process. Still in the Senate, the mayor of Kingston has indicated that the municipality is also moving to increase its complement of inspectors. There are currently 5 inspectors on staff. Mayor Delroy Williams reports that the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation received 4,500 building applications between 2019 and 2023, on average approximately 900 applications per year. With 5 inspectors, he says the municipality is staffed well below the prescribed number of technical experts required.
We have been working with the Ministry of Local Government to restructure the municipality and more specifically to increase the number of building and planning officers. We are advanced in this process and pretty soon we will see a noticeable increase in the staffing of both departments.
Senator Williams points out that by increasing the number of inspectors, this will ensure that at no time will one officer review all the stages of a development.
This will further reduce the perception of corruption, thus protecting the reputation of those hard-working public servants who put out their all every single day of the week.
The Entertainment Ministry has struck a $90 million sponsorship deal with J. Ray and Nephew for the support of Reggae Month activities over the next 3 years. The agreement was signed on Friday by Portfolio Minister Olivia Grange and will include cash and kind. Under the agreement, the ministry will expand Reggae Month celebrations, unearth and develop new talents, and provide a bigger platform to showcase reggae singers and musicians. The sponsorship agreement is to create more opportunities for people to earn directly and indirectly from the music. Minister Grange emphasizes that the partnership will advance the goal of making Reggae Month an all-island festival and a worldwide brand. Managing Director of J. Ray & Nephew Limited, Jean-Philippe Baer, says the support will also include a separate sponsorship package for the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JARIA. Mr. Baer says programs will also be launched in challenging communities to reach the youth and offer opportunities for aspiring musicians. And finally, February's calendar of events for Reggae Month was launched on Sunday with a church service. Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange announced that among the events was a dancehall week of activities from February 13 to 19.
Among the activities for that week will be a dancehall street parade scheduled for the 18th, commencing at Randy Williams and concluding a rap party inside the National Stadium.
Reggae Month 2024 will kick off on February 1 with a tribute to the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown. It will be held at the Vera Moody Concert Hall at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Other core events include a musical tribute to reggae icons, including Bob Marley, a Reggae Gold Award, Dancehall Awards, Young Reggae Ambassadors, a symposium by the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JARIA, and a Children of the Icons concert.
I encourage everyone to download the Reggae Jamaica app from Google Play Store or the Apple Store to have a detailed look at the calendar. The app will be our main vehicle for updating the public about the events. It provides dates but also information on the demography of events and directions from Google Maps.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.